Club Wyndham, National Harbor, Maryland. This resort is located in the heart of National Harbor. Parking will cost extra and is in a garage across the street. You'll be able to load and unload in the circle. Unlike many other Club Wyndham resorts, this one is hotel style, with the rooms opening into hallways inside the building. The suite we had was the 2-bedroom suite, complete with full kitchen and balcony. This resort is smaller than others in that it doesn't have a lot of buildings. It really packs a lot of amenities. National Harbor is a waterfront dining, shopping, lodging, and entertainment district close to another shopping outlet and to Washington, D.C. Once you park, it's best to explore the harbor on foot. However, to enjoy D.C., you might want to drive into town, find a parking area there, and sightsee the capital. This resort is open to both Club Wyndham vacation owners and paying guests. But beware, it's hard to get a reservation. I'm the NYC Traveler, and we've been in National Harbor, Maryland.